to the channel. So from today on, I'm starting with the crypto series also, wherein I'll be analyzing the levels for crypto. It will be basically 4 to 5 coins: BTC, ETH, Sol, and which one? BNB and Matic. All right, these 5 points analysis for daily basis I'll be doing and sharing with all you guys so that you have some level. And for those who trade in the futures or trade in the spot, do positional or swing trades, can have some levels to trade, to enter, and to book the profits. All right, so let us start with Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin chart over here. See, okay. I have too many trend lines because I play intraday also, I play in the futures also, that is why. Okay, I hope you must be going through the Forex analysis video, the last 100 US 30 Euro, Euro USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. Okay, from tomorrow on, it will be 19 things from the crypto, Forex, oil, commodities, and currency pairs indices also nascent in US 30. Okay, so let us see for now what has Bitcoin got to say. Okay, so this is on a daily trend chart. It was a climbing trend line, gave a fall. Okay, and there was a zone over here, the level of 19484 was to be tested. It gave a breakdown from there. It was a climbing trend line which you got to break down. We can see in 2 hour time frame. I told on the channel also, see that it is to give a fall because it is a climbing trend line, although it was a zone between the levels of 19695 to 19811. I said it will give a sharp fall and then it will give a sharp rally from this level, and the market respected the same technical levels, alright, where it took a pullback from. Okay, so let us see what is happening right now. Right now it is overbought. Okay, a little consolidation is required, a little pullback is required. You can note down the levels, you can take the screenshots also for those who play the futures. Okay, and like the Forex videos, I won't be giving any written values here because I want you all to learn. Okay, and also I want you all to enroll for my course, the course overview, content of the course, everything what will be covered, the fees, the tenure, and after perks of the course are all discussed in that video. Just go to the channel and watch that video. All right, so what we saw in the recent was, I'll show it on a daily time frame. Okay, see, 1 2 3. Okay, it can be a good rejection also, it can be a good record also, so do watch it. We're going to have some good blast. Okay, so we just tested this zone. Okay, and it took a sharp back from there, consolidated somewhat, took this trend line, a rising trend line, which results in the fall, a sharp fall. Okay, but yes, we got a support from this zone because it is a sort of zone that it formed took the place, took support from the same. All right, because here we left some buyers in this shadows. Okay, so for now let us see for some intraday levels. Okay, we have resistance at 22675, 22852, 23259, and 23605. Okay, and we have a zone here. Okay, this zone, let me just show you, it is from 24295 on higher side, and the lower exit of the zone is 23800. So it will be consolidation zone. All right, we need to wait and watch and how to take some trades in that. Okay, you can take a screenshot of these levels which I have marked for some intraday scalping. But yes, don't do gambling, learn from me, I'm ready to teach you. Just go to the content video I've shown with examples how the intraday stocks, you'll be learning how to shortlist the intraday stocks, the swing stocks, trading the indices, trading the currency pairs, commodity, gold, silver, whatnot. Okay, you can take a screenshot of these levels, but yes, these levels alone cannot do anything. There is price action, there is technical patterns, there is news. Okay, historical data. This white line is historical data, this blue line are the swing resistance and support levels. These two things are the main things, and the zone, supply demand zone, these are not taught by anyone. You can search over the whole YouTube, no one is available to teach you all this. But yes, there's the main reason, because if they will teach you these inside things, from where the big whales are getting the entries, from where they'll be shorting, from where they'll be taking long, from where they'll be forming a trap, a bull trap, a bear trap. So I'll help you know how to work as the whales, how to work as the institutions. Alright, so I hope you have taken this screenshot. So I'll take you to the interday time frame so that we can see some movement for today. Alright, so today this historical trend line was tested, pulled back, took support, and again rallied, and now has formed a base over the historical trend line, trying to move further. But it's on a daily basis. If you see, okay, these blue lines are the what to say, the swing resistance levels. These are the main hurdles. Okay, what everyone teaches are these yellow lines, which are these resistance and support levels. These are not the main hurdles. The main hurdles are these blue lines, which I'll be teaching you. Or like you can take a screenshot of these levels too, if you want to go for some scalping trades or some positional trades, and also swing trades. As you can see, the chart is showing how the swing trades were taken, which level to which level, swing trades and positional trades. So I'll teach you all these things when you enroll to my course, and I'll see you in the sessions, in the classes, and teach you how easy was it to learn within 8 days, 2 hour per day for 8 days, and after that 2 months of hand holding. You will just get to learn, and to your realization you will find that how easy it is to learn how to trade the markets, the technical analysis with the blend of news, inventories and whatnot. Okay, and how to play the markets like the institutions, like the big whales. All right, it will be a life-changing event for you all guys. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. I'll see you in the next.